This is what I really want to talk about, declarative applications in Kubernetes. And the reason I like this is because I can tell people I do this, and it sounds really, really fancy. It's actually just a euphemism for saying, hey, I make YAML, and I tell the computer to use this YAML. Yay. So what does this look like? Well, because I wanted to stick with my Ansible example, this is how you would do it in Ansible. Notice you're inside of some kind of array, and you've given it a name of create a Kubernetes namespace. And then you said, here, take this Kubernetes raw, basically, here, take this brain dump, and create this thing. In this case, it creates a Kubernetes namespace. That's fine. I probably could use this. And then here's another way. This is actually going back to Terraform. Terraform says, hey, I have this provider of something that knows about Kubernetes. Now create this Kubernetes namespace. Seems fine. Or you can just do it old school, and you can just write in YAML, or in this case, you can write JSON to do the same thing. But here's the problem. And for all you tool makers out there, and I am one, so I'm talking to myself, your tool can't do everything for everyone. And in this case, what we've done is we've taken the things that we are comfortable with, these tools that we are used to using, Ansible and Terraform, and there's others, and we've tried to shoehorn them into this new paradigm of platforms on platforms, aka Kubernetes. And here's the problem. They know nothing about our application. So what we've basically done is we said, well, there's a hole this big, and I have something this big, but I can kind of compress it down and put it in there. It'll fit, but it's not optimal. So here's the thing. Your tools, like Terraform and Ansible, don't know anything about your application. What we're really looking for are tools that know about our application. And notice I said I'm not going to talk about my tool, but my tool is purpose-built for doing this one thing inside of Kubernetes.